So the 4-ounce cloth has cured here. Now what I'm going to do is take off all the edges and smooth this down to the surrounding surface. Typically, I can just pull this tape off because if, I've mentioned before, you do your glassing right, in terms of not laying the epoxy on too thick, then it should just snap right off. All right, so let's see. Oh, didn't even cover anything there, so that's all right. I can just tear that off. Oh, I do have some. All right, this might be too small for me to do that too. Yeah, it is. All right, so it's gonna be difficult. All right, I'm just gonna sand that off. When you're working with larger bits, it becomes easier to snap off. All right, let's sand it. Flip the board. So I'm just taking down the edges on the cloth here so that I can have a nice smooth transition. Always be careful on your rails. Work at a slow speed. And do any fine tuning by hand. And then you want to try to take down any excessive shine, but not shine that's coming from between the weave, because all those little gaps in the weave of the fiberglass cloth you'll be filling in later. But in areas where you've put on the resin too heavy or too thick, you want to get that shine out of the way, because the next coats you put on there are not going to stick to it. So you can see I'm all good here and it's nice and smooth. Let me flip the board back. And in here, now we can see some shine, but it's just within the weave of the cloth. So this is all good to go. It's good for the next step, which will be the fill coat.